Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Nexus. In today's video, we'll explore three fundamental concepts of law: obiter dicta, stare decisis, and ratio decidendi. These terms are backbone of judicial decisions and legal reasoning. We'll break them down in simple words with examples so you can understand how courts apply these principles in real judicial decision from a vital source of legal principle and precedent courts, while delivering judgment of expressing various statements, observation and rulings, two important concepts that distinguish the binding part of the judgment from the persuasive explanatory parts are ratio decidendi and obiter dicta. These concepts lie at the heart of common law jurisprudence, especially within jurisdiction like India, the United Kingdom and other countries that follows the common law traditions. The principal ratio decidendi literally means the reason for the decision. It refers to the legal principle or rule that is the basis for a court's judgment. It is the binding element of a judicial decision and has precedental values. In other words, the ratio decidendi is the authoritative legal rule that emerged from a case which future courts must follow under the doctrine of statistics. The term obiter dicta translates to things said by the way. It includes observation, remarks, or opinions made by a judge that are not essential to the decision of the case. These statements, although found in the judgment, do not form part of the legal reasoning necessary to resolve the dispute. Obiter dicta can be persuasive but are not binding on future courts. They may, however, influence future judicial decisions and legal developments. In the case State of Punjab versus Baldev Singh 1999, the Supreme Court of India held that a judicial pronouncement could have more than one ratio decidendi. Still, only one that form the decision's basis can be considered a binding precedent. The other observation made by the court would be regarded as obiter dicta. Commissioner of Income Tax versus Sun Engineering Work Private Limited 1992. In this case, the Supreme Court of India held that the ratio decidendi of a case must be distinguished from the obiter dicta by considering the fact and circumstance of the case and the context in which the statement was made. Doctrine of statisis. The doctrine of statisis derived from the Latin word which means to stand by things decided. If a foundational principle in common law system obligating court to follow precedents in deciding similar cases, it aimed to maintain consistency, predictability, and coherence in legal adjudication. Like any other principles, statistics also has some advantages and disadvantages. Advantages: legal certainty and predictability ensure similar case produce similar result. Judicial economy reduces repetitive litigation by relying on established rulings. Fairness and public trust. Uniform application of law enhance confidence in the judiciary. Disadvantages: rigidity may preserve errors, resist necessary changes, complexity, and overwhelming volume of precedents can complicate legal reasoning, undemocratic outcomes, and trust judges rather than legislature with significant law making functions. The doctrine of statistics originated in England and became integral to common law system worldwide, including India, through colonial influence. It was formally adopted in India under Article 141 of Indian Constitution. The landmark case of Bengal Immunity Company versus State of Bihar established that the Supreme Court could depart from its previous ruling to rectify errors or prevent adverse effects on public policy. This ensures that justice is prioritized over strict adherence to precedent, maintaining a balance between consistency and adaptability. So that's a wrap on obiter dicta, stare disease, and ratio decidendi. These principles ensure consistency, clarity, and authority in legal decisions. Understanding them is essential for every law student and legal enthusiast. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more legal insight.